girl. Come here. Come here. Come here, Riley. Good girl. Okay, one test we haven't showed people. We're just doing like a little video of each one and how they did. This test is where you put your face right next to him. Hi, baby. You don't ever try this with a vicious dog. Hi, baby. And they let tester. That's a good sign. I'm the tester. You baby. Yeah, she's sweet. Okay. And another one we haven't shown is this is how they do when they see a strange object. Riley is not afraid of the strange object. She's investigating the strange object. Okay. Come here, Riley. Come here, baby girl. Come here. She likes my tester's feet. I mean my photographer's feet. Okay, here's baby girl Riley. And she did very good on her test. You want to see her retrieve? She was so cute. Watch this. Okay, come here, Riley. Come here. Oh, now she brought it back to me last time. Come here, girl. Okay, that's Riley.